In this video, we will review fire safety for commercial vehicles. You'll learn about how vehicle fires start, fire prevention, firefighting, fire extinguisher training, and other important safety equipment. How vehicle fires start. Truck fires can cause injury and damage. Learn the causes of fires and how to prevent them. Know what to do to extinguish fires. The following are some causes of vehicle fires. After accidents, including spilled fuel and improper use of flares. From the tires, underdeflated tires and duals that touch. Electrical system. Short circuits due to damaged insulation and loose connections. Fuel. From drivers smoking, improper fueling, loose fuel connections. And cargo. Flammable cargo improperly sealed or loaded, and poor ventilation. Fire prevention. Pay attention to the following. During the pre-trip inspection, make a complete inspection of the electrical, fuel, and exhaust systems, tires, and cargo. Be sure to check that the fire extinguisher is charged. In route inspection, check the tires, wheels, and truck body for signs of heat whenever you stop during a trip. Follow safety procedures. Follow the correct safety procedures for fueling the vehicle, using brakes, handling flares, and other activities that can cause a fire. Monitoring. Check the instruments and gauges often for signs of overheating, and use the mirrors to look for signs of smoke from tires or the vehicle. As always, please use normal caution handling anything flammable. Firefighting. Knowing how to fight fires is important. Fires have been made worse by drivers who do not know what to do. Know how the fire extinguisher works. Study the instructions printed on the extinguisher before you need it. Follow these procedures in case of a fire. First, pull off the road. If you can, park in an open area, away from buildings, trees, brush, other vehicles, or anything that might catch fire. Do not pull into a service station. When you can, notify emergency services of your problem and your location. Next, keep the fire from spreading. With an engine fire, turn off the engine as soon as you can. Do not open the hood if you can avoid it. Shoot the extinguishers through any hood openings or radiator or from the underside of the vehicle if safely possible. Make sure you use the right fire extinguisher. WDT will provide you with the appropriate type of fire extinguisher. The BC type is designed to work on electrical fires and burning liquids. Water can be used on wood, paper, or cloth, but do not use water on an electrical fire, or you could get shocked, or a gasoline or diesel fire, because it will just spread the flames. A burning tire must be cooled, and lots of water may be required. If you're not sure what to use, especially on a hazardous materials fire, wait for qualified firefighters. To extinguish a fire. Only try to extinguish a fire if you know what you're doing and it's safe to do so. When using the extinguisher, stay as far away from the fire as possible. Aim at the source or base of the fire, not up in the flames. Position yourself upwind. Let the wind carry the extinguisher to the fire rather than carrying the flames to you. Continue until whatever was burning has been cooled. The absence of smoke or flames does not mean that the fire is completely out or that it cannot restart. Fire extinguisher training. Remember the password. Pull. Pull the pin or other motion to unlock the extinguisher. Aim. Aim at the base or bottom of the fire and stand 6 to 10 feet away. Squeeze. Squeeze the lever to discharge the agent. Sweep. Sweep the spray from left to right until the flames are totally extinguished. Other important safety equipment. Commercial vehicles require certain safety equipment for vehicle protection and for the safety of those in the vehicle. Portable fire extinguishers. We discussed those in this presentation video, and you will be provided with the proper fire extinguisher. Emergency reflective triangles. These are warning devices for stop vehicles and you should have at least 3 bidirectional emergency reflective triangles in your truck. First aid kits. These need to be large enough to match the maximum capacity of persons per vehicle. The FMCSA does not mandate first aid kits, but they are recommended.